Good morning, class 2nd. Class, this is your maths book and we have started chapter 5th multiplication. Okay, and we all have completed till exercise number 5.6. So now today we'll complete exercise number 5.7, 5.8 and word problem. So firstly complete exercise number 5.7. This is based on multiplication of two-digit numbers without regrouping. Class, in this exercise, we'll solve two-digit numbers, okay? Without regrouping. Without regrouping means you don't have to carry any number, okay? Just like this example, multiply 13 by 2. Suppose that you have to multiply 13 into 2. So, what is the method? First step is multiply the ones by 2 multiplier, okay? You have to solve 13 into 2. So firstly, what is it written again? Multiply the ones by 2. Ones is 3 na? This is tens and this is ones. So firstly solve the ones position number. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Okay? And then 3 ones into 2 is equal to 6. Okay, write 6 in the ones column. Okay, done. Second step, multiply the tens by 2. Okay, 1 10 into 2 is equal to 2 tens. Here the tens number is 1. 1 is on the tens position, so we have to multiply this one into 2. Okay, so 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Answer is 26. Firstly, we'll multiply of the ones position number. Then we multiply the same digit with tens position number. Okay, multiply हमें उसी नंबर को करना है, ये नहीं कि यहाँ कुछ अलग से अपने से मेंशन कर लेना, ठीक ना? अगर अब बुक में नहीं दिया है तो अपने से यहाँ ऐड नहीं करना है. 1 नंबर दिया है तो उसी नंबर से आप दोनों को 1 by 1 मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. पहले वंस पोजीशन नंबर का, फिर टेंस पोजीशन नंबर का. ओके, सो अंडरस्टैंड इट हाउ टू डू दिस. सो रेडी टू सॉल्व इट. एक्सरसाइज नंबर 5.7, फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट. प्रोडक्ट मीन्स आंसर. सो 12 into 4. So firstly solve the ones position number. 2 into 4 is equal to 2 4s are 8. Okay. Then solve this tens position number into 4. Okay. 1 into 4 is equal to 4. Answer is 48. Next, 23 into 3. So firstly solve ones position number. 3 into 3, 9. And then solve this. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Okay. Answer is 69. Next, 31 into 2. So firstly solve ones position number. 1 into 2, 1 2s are 2, and then this tens position number. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Answer is 62. Next, 14 into 2. So firstly solve ones position number. 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8, and then solve this tens position number. 1 2s are 2. So answer is 28. Next, 22 into 4. So firstly solve the ones position number. 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. And then solve tens position number. 2 4s are again 8. Answer is 88. Next, 13 into 3. Firstly solve ones position number. 3 3s are 9, and solve this tens position number into 3. 1 3s are again 3. So answer is 39. Next, 10 into 3. So firstly solve ones position number. 0 into 3. Answer is 0. And this 1 into 3. 1 3s are 3. So answer is 30. Next, 12 into 4. So firstly solve ones position number. 2 4s are 8 and 1 4s are 4. So answer is 48. Next 11 into 7. So firstly solve ones position number. 1 7s are 7 and this 1 7s are 7. Answer is 77. Next 30 into 3. So firstly solve ones position number. 0 into 3 0 and 3 into 3 9. Okay, so answer is 90. Next 32 into 3. So firstly solve ones position number. 2 3s are 6 and this 3 3s are 9. Answer is 96. Next 22 into 3. So firstly solve ones position number. 2 3s are 6 and this 2 3s are again 6. Answer is 66. Okay. Next is exercise number 5.8. Okay. So class, before to start this question, this exercise, firstly read this. Multiplication of 2-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay. In this question, you have to solve 2-digit number without regrouping. Okay. With regrouping. Okay. With regrouping means in this you have to carry number. Okay. You have to add the carry number with the next digit. Okay. So in this question, you have to, suppose that you have to solve 13 into 5. This is tens ones. Number is 13 into 5. Okay, so how to solve it? Firstly, read the table of ones position number. Ones position number is 3. 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. So firstly you will write 5. 15 नहीं लिखोगे, बस 5 लिखोगे. And then the 1 here for carrying. And then 5 ones are 5. And then 1 plus 6. So answer is 65. Suppose that you have to solve 14 into 4. How to solve it? Firstly solve the ones position number. 4 4s are 16. So you will only write 6 and 1 here. ओके, जो 16 का 6 है यहाँ पे राइट किया आपने और जो 1 हुआ आप यहाँ लिखोगे टेंस पोजीशन नंबर में. देन 1 4s are 4 प्लस 1 5. ओके, सो आंसर इज 56. समझ में आए कैसे करना है इसको? सो रेडी टू सॉल्व इट? वेरी गुड. सो द क्वेश्चन इज 23 into 4. So firstly solve the ones position number. 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. Okay, so only you will write 2. Okay, and 1 here. 12 हुआ ना, तो 12 का 2 यहाँ लिखोगे, 1 यहाँ लिखोगे टेंस पोजीशन नंबर में. अब ये जो 2 और 4 है इसका टेबल पढ़ना है. 2 4s are 8 प्लस 1 9. आंसर इज 92. ओके, नेक्स्ट 19 into 4. So firstly solve the ones position number. 9 4s are 36. So only you will write 6 and 3 for carry. And then 4 1s are 4. Okay, plus 3 7. Okay, so answer is 76. Next 18 into 5. So firstly solve the ones position number. 8 into 5 is equal to 40. So you will write 0 and 4 here. Then 1 5s are 5 plus 4 9. Answer is 90. Next 14 into 6. So firstly solve the ones position number. 4 into 6. 4 6 are 24. So we will write 4 and 2 here. and then 1 6 the 6 plus 2 8. Okay, answer is 84. Clear? Next, 46 into 2. So firstly solve the ones position number. 6 into 2 is equal to 6 to the 12. Carry 1. Then 4 to the 8 plus 1 9. Answer is 92. 24 into 3. So firstly solve the ones position number. 4 3 is a 12. So we'll write 2 carry 1. Then 2 3 is a 6 plus 1 7. Answer is 72. Okay. Next, 19 into 5. So firstly solve the ones position number. 9 5 is a 45. So here we will write 5 and carry 4. 5 1s are 5 plus 4 9. Answer is 95. Next, 18 into 4. So firstly solve the ones position number. 8 4s are 32. So we will write 2 and carry 3. Then 1 into 4. 4 plus 3 7. Answer is 72. Next, 14 into 7. So firstly solve the ones position number. 4 7s are 28. We will write 8 and 2 carry. 1 7 are 7 plus 2 9. Answer is 98. Next, 24 into 4. So firstly solve the ones position number. 4 4s are 16. So here we will write 6 carry 1. Then 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. Answer is 96. Next, 12 into 5. So firstly solve the ones position number. 2 5s are 10. So here we will write 0 and 1 here. Then 1 5s are 5 plus 1 6. Answer is 60. Next, 23 into 4. So firstly solve the ones position number. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. We will write 2 here and then 1 carry. Then 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. Answer is 92. Okay. Next, question number 2. Find the product. In this, you will solve the 3-digit number. Okay, 100, tens, ones. But the formula, the rule, the method is same. Just like before. Firstly, you will solve the ones position number, then tens, and then forward the next number into 100. So firstly, start with ones position number. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. And then 4 into 3, 12. Okay, you will write like this. So answer is 126. Next, 65 into 6. So firstly solve the ones position number. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. So here you will write 0. Carry 3. Then 6 6 36 plus 3 39. So here you will write answer is 390. Next, 41 into 4. So firstly solve the ones position number. 1 into 4 is equal to 4. Then 4 into 4, 16. So answer is 164. Next, 54 into 2. So firstly solve the ones position number. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. And 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10. So answer is 108. Next, 29 into 5. Firstly solve the ones position number. 9 5s are 45. So here we will write 5 and carry 4. Then 2 5s are 10 plus 4 14. Okay. So the answer is 145. Clear? Next, 62 into 3. So firstly solve the ones position number. 2 3s are 6 and 6 3s are 18. Answer is 186. Next, 60 into 7. So firstly solve the ones position number. 0 into 7, 0 and 6 7 are 42. Answer is 420. Okay. Next, 85 into 6. So firstly solve the ones position number. 5 6 are 30. So here we will write 0. Carry 3. Okay. And 8 6 are 48 plus 3 51. Answer is 510. Next, 51 into 8. So firstly solve the ones position number. 1 8 is 8 and 5 8 is 40. So answer is 408. Next, 55 into 5. So firstly solve the ones position number. 5 5 is 25. So here you will write 5, carry 2. Then again 5 5 is 25 plus 2, 27. Answer is 275. Next, 62 into 8. So firstly solve the ones position number. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. Carry 1. 6 8 is 48 plus 1, 49. Answer is 496. Next, 35 into 6. So firstly solve the ones position number. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. Carry 3. Okay. Then 3 6 is 18. 18 plus 3, 21. Answer is 210. Next, 29 into 4. So firstly solve the ones position number. 9 4 is 36. So here we'll write 6. Carry 3. 2 4 is 8 plus 3, 11. So answer is 116. Next, 36 into 9. So firstly solve the ones position number. 6 9 is 54. So here we'll write 4 and 5 here. And then 3 9s are 18. 18 plus 5. Sorry, 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 5, 32. Okay. Answer is 324. Okay. Next, 45 into 7. So firstly solve the ones position number. 5 into 7 is equal to 35. Okay. You will write 5 and 3 carry. Then 4 7s are 28 plus 3, 31. Answer is 315. Okay, so this question is completed, and the third one is for your homework. You will solve this question number 3, in any rough copy. Okay, and next is word problem. In this, you will read some sentence, read a story, and then solve the question. Solve the following word problems. One has been done for you. The first number is, there are 13 baskets. Okay, how many baskets? 13 baskets. Each basket has 5 apples. Okay, in one basket, how many apples? 5 apples. How many apples are there in all? So what you will do here? You will read and multiply 13 into 5. 13 number of baskets, 5 number of apples. Answer is 3 5s are 15. Carry 1. Then 1 5s are 5 plus 1 6. Answer is 65. There are 65 apples in all. Clear how to do this question? Second number. There are 12 vases. How many vases? 12 vases. Each vase has 7 flowers. Okay. One vase has 7 flowers. How many flowers are there in all? So firstly we will write 12. Oh, sorry then. Okay. Then 7. Okay. So firstly solve the ones position number. 2 into 7, 14. Carry 1. Then 7 into 1, 7 plus 1, 8. Answer is 84. So how many flowers are there in all? 84 flowers. Okay. Next number. There are 10 boxes. How many boxes? 10 boxes. Each box has 8 toffees. One box has 8 toffees. How many toffees are there in all? Okay. So firstly we'll write 10 in this box. Then write 8 here. And then multiply it. 0 into 8, 0. 1 into 8, 8. Answer is 80. So how many toffees are there in all? 80 toffees. Next number. There are 7 packets. How many packets? 7 packets. Each packet has 5 pens. Okay. In one packet, how many pens? 5 pens. How many pens are there in all? So firstly write 7. Okay. Then 5. Then multiply it. 7 5s are 35. So here answer is 35. 35 pens are in 7 packets. Next. There are 5 fingers in one hand. Okay. How many fingers? 5 fingers. How many fingers will be there in 14 hands? Okay. So firstly we'll write 14 here. Then 5 here. Okay. Then solve it. One's position number. 4 5s are 20. So we'll write 0 and 2 here. Then 5 1s are 5 plus 2 7. Answer is 70. Okay. 70 fingers in 14 hands. And last one. There are 4 wheels in a car. How many wheels are there in 18 cars? Okay. So firstly write this 18 here. Okay. Then 4 in this box. Then read the table. 8 into 4 is equal to 32. You will write 2 here and then 3 here. Then 1 4s are 4 plus 3 7. Okay. So answer is 72. 72 wheels in 18 cars. So class, today chapter 5th book work totally completed. Okay. So thank you.